As the days grow shorter and the nights feel heavier, have you noticed how the atmosphere inside your home changes too? This guide is all about 7 sacred plants, each with a simple fall ritual you can practice right away, plus tips on how to choose and use them safely. For every plant, you'll see how ancient wisdom can become practical home protection. A quick note before we begin: when burning herbs, always ventilate your space and use a fireproof dish. Be mindful of where your plants come from, sourcing them ethically, and respecting the cultures that first taught these practices. I'd love to know which of these plants already protects your home. Share it in the comments below. Now, let's look more closely at the first guardian in this list, one that has been relied on for generations to clear away what ordinary cleaning cannot. Sage, often called the clearing queen, has been treasured across many cultures as a way to purify the air and mind. In Native American traditions, burning white sage is a sacred practice for cleansing, while in Europe and Asia it was used in homes and temples to protect and refresh sacred spaces. Historically, it has always been seen as more than a household plant. It was a tool when the air itself felt heavy. If you choose to try this in your own space, it's important to honor those roots. Smudging comes from indigenous cultures, so acknowledge that before beginning, and always use ethically sourced, farm-grown sage, or consider smoke-free alternatives if white sage isn't available sustainably. Some studies even note that sage smoke can help reduce airborne microbes, though it's no substitute for fresh air, so ventilation remains essential. To try it safely, remember 3 steps. Light the bundle and let it smolder. Use your hand or a feather to guide the smoke through rooms, and keep a window open so the energy and smoke have somewhere to leave. Always hold the bundle over a fireproof dish and fully extinguish it when finished. Once your environment feels reset this way, it becomes easier to notice how other plants can do more than clear a room. They can also brighten your own state of mind during the heavier months to come. Rosemary, known for its sharp pine-like fragrance, has long been seen as a guardian against both illness and low spirits. Centuries ago, rosemary and other aromatic herbs were often used in sick rooms and fumigation practices, trusted to help purify the air when disease threatened. Beyond its history, modern research suggests that rosemary's scent can lift mood, support mental energy, and even improve focus, useful during darker months when concentration and optimism often wane. To bring this herb into your home now, you don't need elaborate rituals. Simmer a small pot of fresh sprigs for 10 to 15 minutes, letting the steam rise as the scent carries through each room, or place a few sprigs into a diffuser. Always ventilate your space and never leave a simmering pot unattended. If using the essential oil, dilute it with a carrier oil before applying to skin, and consult a physician if you take medication, since interactions are possible. As rosemary strengthens both air and spirit, the next plant offers a gentler kind of shield, one that works not by awakening the senses, but by calming them. Lavender, often called the spirit calmer, has been valued for centuries as a quiet ally against restless energy. Its clean, herbal fragrance has long been linked with steadier moods and softer nights, whether carried in sprigs or steeped into oils. Modern research supports what tradition suggests. Lavender aromatherapy may help improve sleep quality and reduce feelings of stress or anxiety. In earlier times, Romans added it to baths as a way to refresh both body and spirit, and households during the Middle Ages tucked it into corners to keep a sense of peace indoors. Today, you can bring it into your evenings in simple and safe ways. Place a small sachet of dried lavender under your pillow, or add 2 drops of diluted essential oil into a diffuser about half an hour before bed. Never ingest the oil, always dilute before applying to skin, and discontinue use if irritation occurs. As lavender steadies the inner atmosphere, attention can now turn to another plant once believed to shape harmony, not just within yourself, but between the people who share your space. When households turn inward during colder months, harmony can feel harder to maintain. Basil, sometimes the sweet green basil you cook with and sometimes the sacred holy basil known in India as tulsi, has long carried a reputation for easing those tensions and inviting warmth into shared spaces. In India, tulsi is honored as a sacred plant of devotion, while in Mediterranean folkways, basil was linked with hospitality and household well-being. Traditionally used to invite harmony and, In herbal work associated with easing stress, basil offers simple ways to balance home energy. A practical ritual is to steep fresh leaves in water, then wipe door frames with the infusion to welcome positive energy, or place sprigs by your entryway as a gentle symbol of peace. Essential oil can also help shift the mood, but always dilute before use, and note that research is limited, with early evidence suggesting stress support, but also possible interactions. Basil works like a reminder that everyday spaces can hold unity and calm. And once the air between people feels lighter, the next concern is often the quiet weight that comes at night, when the mind drifts into dreams that do not always rest easy. Mugwort, often called the protector of dreams, has a long-standing reputation for guarding sleep and opening doorways to intuition. In European, Celtic, and Asian traditions, it was used to guide dream work, offer protection during rest, and support divination. That history shaped its place as a plant tied to the moon, intuition, and the unseen. A simple way to try it today is by placing 1 teaspoon of dried mugwort into a small sachet and keeping it under your pillow, or steeping 1 teaspoon in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes to make a mild bedtime tea. Always start with small amounts and avoid using it nightly without breaks. Safety is vital here. Mugwort contains thujone, which can be harmful in pregnancy or when trying to conceive. Those with liver issues, seizure disorders, or who take medications affecting the liver should avoid it or consult a healthcare professional before use. With these boundaries in place, mugwort becomes a careful ally. And from protecting sleep, our attention now turns to a leaf once tied not to dreams, but to focused wishes, carried forward with fire. Bay leaf, often called the wisher's guardian, has been tied to intention for centuries. In Mediterranean and Roman traditions, it symbolized victory and protection, worn as laurel crowns to honor strength and clarity. That same symbolism is why bay leaves became tools for focusing energy and releasing wishes. A simple ritual you can try is to write a word or phrase onto a dried bay leaf, hold it while centering your attention, and then burn it in a heat-proof container. Always keep water nearby and never leave the flame unattended. Once the leaf has turned to ash, you can scatter the remains outdoors as a way of releasing the wish. If burning isn't possible, there are smoke-free options. Tuck a written bay leaf into your wallet or place one in a small sachet. For any version, phrase intentions as "in my highest good," rather than directing energy at specific people. With wishes carried forward this way, the next plant shows how even bright petals can serve as protectors during the darker season. Marigold, light against the dark, has been a trusted bloom for centuries, known not just for its color but for how people used it to protect and brighten spaces. In Mexico, during Dia de los Muertos, marigolds are traditionally believed to guide and honor ancestors, their vivid petals and strong scent marking safe paths. In India, strings of marigolds line homes and temples during Diwali, symbolizing blessings while pushing back shadows. You can bring this symbolism into daily life in immediate, simple ways. Hang a garland of marigolds at your front door, or set a small bowl of petals at windowsills to announce light into the space. If fresh flowers aren't available, dried petals in a bowl carry the same purpose quietly. Marigolds also serve a practical role in the garden. Planting them by entryways or window boxes can help deter common pests, creating a living barrier as the season changes. These flowers remind us that protection can carry beauty with it, and that traditions often hold a wisdom still practical now. Each of these plants plays its own part in shaping a safer, more balanced home. Together they form a circle of guardians: sage, rosemary, lavender, basil, mugwort, bay leaf, and marigold. When you invite them in, you connect with traditions that carried meaning across centuries and cultures. Here's a simple experiment. Choose one plant, and practice its micro-ritual nightly, for 7 days. Then notice what feels different, and share your experience in the comments. As you try these, remember to honor cultural origins, especially with sage, always source responsibly, ventilate when burning, and avoid mugwort during pregnancy. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more seasonal ritual guides and plant-based tips.